Welcome back to our journey across England. In part 2, we leave the soft hills of the south behind and head into the wild, rugged landscapes of the north. Our first stop is the Peak District, Britain's oldest national park, where the earth seems to break into sharp, dramatic edges. The Great Ridge at Mam Tor offers a 360-degree vista, a stone path that feels like the very spine of the world. Below lies Winnet's Pass, a towering limestone gorge that feels as if it were carved by giants in an age long forgotten. At Stainage Edge, the Gritstone Escarpment stretches for miles, a playground for climbers, and a dream for every traveler. If you like this content, please help us by hitting the subscribe button and notification bell so you can be notified when we upload additional content. Now, we head further north. Welcome to the Yorkshire Dales, a land of limestone pavements, deep ravines, and rolling green valleys. Malham Cove is a geological marvel, a 260-foot wall of stone topped with a unique prehistoric pavement. Deep within a hidden ravine, Goredale Scar reveals its power with waterfalls cascading down dramatic, overhanging cliffs. The Ribblehead Viaduct stands as a monument to Victorian engineering, its stone arches spanning the wild and open moorland. At Isgarth, the River Ure tumbles over broad limestone steps, creating a series of waterfalls that have inspired legends. Finally, we enter the Lake District, a UNESCO World Heritage Site and the most vertical landscape in all of England. Derwent Water reflects the giants that surround it, including the beloved Cat Bells, a ridge that offers the perfect reward for every hiker. From its summit, the beauty of the fells is laid bare, a tapestry of blue water, green slopes, and soaring peaks. Hidden in the woods, Airaforce thunders down, a place of magic that has inspired poets and dreamers for centuries. Cathedral Quarry is a subterranean wonder, a massive slate cavern that feels like a temple carved into the heart of the mountain. Tarnhouse is a sanctuary of peace where the fells are perfectly mirrored in the still, crystal-clear water. At Buttermere, the scale of the north is truly felt, a place of quiet grandeur where the mountains touch the water's edge. The Pennine Way follows the spine of England, a challenging trail that crosses the wildest moors and highest ridges in the country. This is a landscape shaped by time and tradition, where stone walls and hardy sheep have lived for generations. The north of England is a place of raw beauty and high drama, a world away from the gentle valleys of the south. But our journey isn't over. In our final part, we'll travel to the far north to explore the historic castles and wild coasts of Northumbria. If you like this content, please help us by hitting the subscribe button and notification bell so you can be notified when we upload additional content. See you in the finale. I'm Eric Carey, and we're on a mission to reach a huge milestone, 1,000 subscribers. Hitting 1,000 subscribers represents our continued commitment to improve the channel and provide the best for you. Help us reach our goal by hitting the subscribe button and notification bell. Your subscription also helps us know what type of content you want to see more of. It's a shared journey. The goal is in sight, and with your help, we can reach it together. Join our growing community today. I'm committed to bringing you more value and better quality as we grow this channel to new heights. Thank you for being part of this. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell for more updates.